Most accurate. Now your First Warn 5 forecast.
Good Tuesday evening, Mid-Michigan. Chief Meteorologist Chris Easlick with your Tuesday evening forecast update. A beautiful night tonight. No severe weather to worry about, unlike yesterday. And we're also drying out after some areas did receive some heavy rainfall. We could still use some more in some areas that missed out yesterday, but at least we got something in a few areas. As we take a look at your overnight lows, we see temperatures stay in the 60s thanks to a southeasterly wind that moves in tonight. That will eventually become a little bit stronger into the day tomorrow. And as it does so, it eventually flips around to more a southwesterly direction on Wednesday. So a lot of the 60s that you see tomorrow morning for the morning commute, those will eventually turn into at least the upper 80s and low 90s. If we can avoid any cloud cover from showers and thunderstorms to our north and west, that's more time for these to warm up, and it wouldn't be out of the question, especially for southern communities, to warm up to around 95 tomorrow. We'll see how that plays out. That cloud cover not only having an impact on our temperatures, but also the possibility of severe weather. If we see clouds and showers from that thunderstorm activity in Wisconsin survive the trip tomorrow morning and it just kind of hangs out and sticks around, I think our threat for the afternoon will diminish a little bit. But if we clear out pretty quickly after that moves through or don't see any of those storms at all, our threat will probably go up and we'll probably have a chance for some scattered severe storms going into the afternoon and evening. The time frame we're watching for now, 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. We may be able to trim that down a little bit tomorrow based on the morning data. Wind, hail, and heavy rains would be the primary threat, but we also can't rule out an isolated tornado tomorrow either. That is the lowest threat, but it's still not impossible. As we take a look at the radar tonight, there's not much to worry about. Everything is all dry. There's those showers and storms in Wisconsin, so those will be the ones that we watch through tonight and early tomorrow. And then this cold front to the west of the warm front, that brings us another chance going into late Wednesday night and also through Thursday. Some of our counties to the south could see that front hang up just to the south of there, which could keep rain in the forecast much of the day in some of our southeastern zones. As for tonight, there's the clear to partly cloudy skies early. We see that cloud cover attempt to move in tomorrow morning. Some showers and storms may survive the trip. The ones that do are not expected to be severe, but the ones for the afternoon and evening, those will be the ones that are worth watching. You see this big glob of rain starting to develop tomorrow afternoon. There could be some risk for a few areas of flooding, just like we saw on Monday. You get 2 or 3 inches of rain at a time. Even if we haven't had much lately, it tends to pile up a little bit. So keep an eye out on the roads and things like that. We see those diminish as the evening goes along. I still think we're seeing some showers and storms by 6 and 7 o'clock. But once we get into the later evening hours, that's when things will quiet down to more of a scattered shower and storm coverage. And those, once we get to the overnight, are not expected to be severe. With that threat for heavy rain, we do have that risk for flash flooding. It is a minor risk, but still a risk nonetheless. So just keep that in mind. Your 7-day forecast shows temperatures cool down at the end of the week, and then we're right back up to near 90 for the start of the weekend.
Stay with WNEM TV5 on air, on the go, and online for more news and weather updates.